Okay, this is part 3 of the logic statements. So kind of as a summary, the negation for a statement we would say is not P. Like let's say our statement is P. The symbol for that is this tilde P. If we have a conjunction, that would be an and. So let's say we have P and Q, and that is an upside down caret or a little caret, like how you'd write an editing symbol. And a disjunction is an or. So if we had P or Q, this would be P, V, Q. So that's our summary statement, our summary table. And one way that we can look at truth values of statements is to make a truth table. So let's say, for example, the negation. If we have a statement P, P can either be true or false. So its negation, not P, would be the opposite. If P is true, then not P would be false. If P is false, then not P would be true. For conjunction, so the way that we fill this in, conjunction is P and Q, and we write a P column, a Q column, and then we do a P and Q column. So first of all, there's 4 boxes. So P can be true twice, or it could be false twice. And we need to consider all scenarios. So we need a true, true, we need true, false. We need false, true, and we need false, false. So if you notice, we've done true, true, false, false, and then we've alternated true and false for Q. So then, remember, this is the and is only true if both things are true. So true, true, this is true. But all of these guys have at least one false, so these are all false. So it's important to know, let me highlight this, this is the only time that a conjunction is true. Okay, a disjunction, we're going to fill in the P and Q column the same way, but we're going to consider the or. So I'm going to do P, true, true, false, false, and then I'm going to alternate true and false for Q. Okay, now this is or, and or is true if one of them is true, at least one of them. So every time we have at least one that's true, except for this last row, because both are false. So important to note here is that it's only false if everything is false for a disjunction.